I'm fed up. I've been in the car far too long. It's beautiful and sunny outside. So I'm looking for somewhere to stealth park, put the kettle on. Right, so I'm just parked down Lord's Moor Lane near Strensall Common, just north of York. So here I am, just down this little track road. That's Lord's Moor Lane over there, and then Strensall Common surrounding us. So the car's parked up just behind me there, down this little track. I wander down this gate in front there. Looks like we have to cross over a railway line, but should be alright, doesn't look too busy. Woo. So I've just got here just in time, just missed the train, so now I can cross the line. Yeah, that's not like it. Off the beaten track, I'm off that way. So it looks like it's bringing me through these little woodlands, mainly silver birches, and then right in front of me here looks like I've got Strensall Common. It opens up, bit of grassland. Let's keep walking through this woodland, we'll get there. But again, beautiful sunny day, absolutely glorious. Is that warm? I could actually jump in and go for a swim. I don't think it's deep enough, so I look a bit daft when I can't swim. Get my armbands on. I can actually swim, but I think in there I might sink. It's quite boggy around here. It's quite a lot of leaf litter on the ground, so I'm guessing in there it's quite peaty. Not very good for the trees with shallow roots. Bit wind, and all going to blow over. There's quite a few that have gone over as well. So it looks like I'm just coming out onto the edge of Strensall Common now. This is lovely. So I've just come round the back side of this big bush now. It's a little bit more private, so I'm going to have a look for somewhere to sit down, get my flask out and have a coffee. Whew. Should have brought my glasses out and never left them in the car. I suppose having a hot cup of coffee ain't going to help. Ah, beautiful day. Hello. So I hear a lot of people talk about walking for wellness, and you know, I completely get that. And you hear that bird behind me? It's whittering away. Just so peaceful, so calming, relaxing. You get to clear your head, you get to come out and enjoy the beautiful sunshine, you get to stretch, exercise, gets the blood flowing around the body. There's just so many positives to getting out. So when you're stuck in your car, whether it's just driving half an hour or driving 8 hours, just park up somewhere off the beaten track and just see what's there. You just never know what you're going to find. You probably won't be able to see, but just in front of me over there there's a tree full of crows, and they've been sat there watching me since I got here. I keep expecting them to follow me on or follow me out as I'm walking on. Yeah, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There's 16 crows, and I know 2 have already flown off that way. And I think they're in the tree over there, keeping an eye on me. I better be careful. I've seen birds by Alfred Hitchcock. So I'm a bit peckish now after that little walk. Filled up with coffee, so I'm wide awake now. But yeah, let's go back to the car, stick the kettle on, so fancy some soup. That's what I love about these stealthy spots. My car's just there, behind the trees, but you can't see it, because it's stealthy. I can't believe it. Just come back to the car. I left the side window open while I was out on my walk. Oh well, nothing was stolen, luckily. What am I like? So let's get the power bank on and have some soup, because I'm a bit peckish after that walk. So I've got some bachelor's chicken cup of soup, perfect for stealth parking. All you need is water and a kettle. So, having a power bank in your car is absolutely perfect for making soup and tea and anything that you need water for. So I would definitely recommend, even if you're not camping, get a power bank, stick it in your car, and you can use it for when you get out to places like this. I must admit, I'm so glad I got it, because I was starving and I forgot I had the soup in the back. Little packet soup, just what I need as well. In a lovely spot, nice and peaceful, apart from the odd jet flying over the top, but we are in, look, can you hear it? That's quite stealthy. I can hear it, but I can't see it. Yeah, so I have to say, this spot is absolutely perfect for stealth camping. You can bring your car camping, you bring your camper camping. There's no sign saying you can't go camping. So, perfect spot. Just off the track, just down on the side here. You're tucked away in the trees. Perfect. So, thank you very much for joining me on this little stealth park up. I'll see you all next week, not far from the car.